Hello and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about how to find your computer name in Windows, because sometimes this may be something that a technical person may require of you so that we can figure out exactly where SolidWorks is installed, especially if we're talking about licensing. Now, I'm working with Windows 10 and there are a couple of ways that we can find the computer name or PC name or system name of this machine, and I'm going to demonstrate that now. The first way is actually using the settings within the Start menu. If you go to Settings and then go to System, once you go to the About section of the System settings, you can then see the device name. This is the name of your computer. Another way we can do this is that if you have the search bar enabled for Windows 10, you can look up for the system and security, which is actually underneath the control panel here. So we'll go into the control panel and we'll go into system. And this should bring up the system information here as well. It comes up as computer name in this window. Another way that we can find this information is just looking up the system information of the machine itself. This will bring up a lot of extra information as well, but you can also find the system name within this list of information or in this window. Another way within Windows 10 that you can find the system information is by going into Windows Explorer and right-clicking on this PC and go to Properties. This will also bring up the computer name. Either one of these techniques is fine to use, and if you have any further questions, please contact us at the information below.